This is my first ever YouTube video and I know I make a lot mistakes in audio or in video. So please bear with me and yeah, I'm trying to do my best. As you can see, I'm applying moisturizer on my face, but I did my skincare routine off camera. So do your skincare routine as you always do. Then I'm applying primer to make my skin flawless. To even out my skin tone, I am applying orange corrector to the areas that I need to cover. Now I am applying a small amount of foundation with the help of a brush and a beauty blender. After that, I am taking a small amount of concealer on my hand. If you found any crease line to your face, you can use a little amount of face powder to those areas. Now I am doing contouring like this. In between the contour, I am using a little amount of face powder. If you have translucent powder, you can use it. I don't have, so I am using face powder. Now I am doing my nose contour. First, making straight line to my nose and making a V under my nose bridge. And now blend it very carefully. But if you missed it like I did, then you can use a little amount of concealer. And the last step, set your contour with powder. Using some highlighter. As you can see, my eyebrows are already dark, but still I am doing my eyebrows to make it a little long. For my base eye makeup, I am using this color. Remove the excess powder and now blend. To create some depth, I am using a darker shade. Now I am trying to make a cut crease with concealer. I am using a light pink shade to my crease area. am taking brown shade to my lower eyelids to create depth. To make a sharp eye look, I am using dark brown shade to my inner corners. Now I am making a wing eyeliner. Now I am curling my eyelash and using some mascara. I am also using some mascara to my lower eyelash. Again I am curling it so that will remove the excess product. Now I am highlighting to my high points. For the blush, I am taking this shade and applying to my face and nose. Okay, now I am applying some powder highlighter to my cheekbone and inner eye corner. Last and the final part is my lips. I am using a pink lip liner and a brownish lipstick for this look. I am using some brown powder to my lip to look more defined.